Hey guys, good evening and welcome back. So today, we'll try to solve one of the interview question, reversing an array. So we'll try to understand the step by step, and we'll go through each and every step. Okay. So don't worry about that. So let us define an array. Okay. So I hope you know how to declare an array. So this is, basically, I'm going to declare and assigning the values as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is my array. So if I reverse this array, so the value should be like this. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it should be like this. Okay, so how do we reverse it? So that is the question, right? So if I want to reverse that array, so then obviously, I have to come from the end to the beginning. So and also I have to put this value into some other array. This last index should be first index, this should be the second index, this should be the third index, this should be the fourth, and this should be fifth. So it should be like that. So now we will define one more array. So there will be one more integer array called b, and for this uh, new int of, so what should be the length, guys? So I think you can guess it. So it should be the same length of a dot length. So that's it. So it's done. So now the array b is empty now. So now we have to read the value of array of a from the end, and we have to assign that end value as the first into the b. So that is what we have to do. So for from we have to come from the end, right? So that is what we have to write a loop. I tell you, int I is equal to 0. Yes, I'll go with the, I mean, we can read from the end and we can assign it to from the beginning also. We can read from beginning and we can assign from the backward also. So that also we can do. I'll show you that one. So length a dot length. Okay. So then comes I plus plus. So now what I am doing is, like, I am reading the value from af0, af1, af2, af3, af4. Okay. So that is how I am going. But while assigning b of a dot length, this is where the logic relates, guys. So be carefully listen. I minus 1. Okay, so I'll explain you, don't worry. A of I. Okay, so what it does is, like, so now the I value is 0, guys. A dot length is what? So the value of a dot length, let us try to understand in depth. So now in the first iteration, the value of I is 0. So now the b value is a dot length. A dot length is 5. 5 minus I means 0. 5 minus 0 is 0, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So the b of 4 is equal to a of I value is, what is that? 0. Now getting it right. So now the I value is 0, 0, A of 0 is 1, is going to be assigned at the place of B of 0 in the second iteration. Now B of, what it is? A dot length is 5, always 5. 5 minus I is 1 now, 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, so now 3, correct. So after 3, so now A of 1, correct. A of 1. So now A of 1 is what? 2, but it is assigned at the third place. So now in the next iteration, b of, now the a value will become 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Correct. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then a of, what is the value? 2, right? Then in the next iteration, now the I value becomes 3. 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Now it becomes 1. B value becomes 1. So now A value becomes 3. Correct. So that is how it is going, guys. So now at the end, B value becomes 0 now, because the 4, A dot length 5 minus 4, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So now A of 4. Getting it right? So this is how it is going to assign. So now it will increase one more. Now it will become 5. So this condition will fail. So this will get out of the loop. So that's how it is. So now I want to print the values of v, right? So for that I'll write one more loop. So basically 0, sorry, 0, I less than b dot length and I plus plus. Now write it. Sys out, sys out v of I, guys. Okay. Yeah, guys, finally we got it. So now, if you print the same loop for A, it will come as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, it is instead of B, let us keep it as A of A. Okay. So now, let me, yeah. So now, the B value is 54321, A value is 12345, guys. So that's how we have to reverse an array, guys. So I hope you got it, guys. So thank you so very much, guys.